Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Night vision removes darkness and lets you see clearly in caves and underwater. You drink a night vision potion to remove visual darkness for exploration. The default potion duration in Minecraft Bedrock Edition is 3 minutes. You can extend that time using redstone dust at the brewing stand. Night vision does not increase damage or health, it only affects vision. Remember that milk removes all status effects, including night vision, immediately. Place a brewing stand and supply it with blaze powder for fuel before brewing. Start by filling 3 water bottles and placing them in the brewing stand. Add 1 nether wart to each bottle to make awkward potions. Then add 1 golden carrot to each awkward potion to brew night vision potions. Golden carrots craft from 1 carrot surrounded by 8 gold nuggets in the crafting grid. Optionally add redstone dust to each night vision potion to extend the duration to 8 minutes. You can also grant night vision instantly with a command on enabled servers or worlds. Use the command example, /effect give it s night vision 480 for 8 minutes. Arrows cannot carry night vision in Bedrock, so use potions for mobility when needed. Store your potions in a shulker box or chest to protect them during travel or combat. Avoid drinking milk while under night vision, because milk removes the effect immediately and wastes your potion investment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.